Good evening to all. I have number of sentence for you. Listen to me carefully. We are going to start our video. Let's start. Do you believe in ghosts?
No, I don't believe in them.
Can you recommend a good restaurant?
Sure, try Mayfire.
What's your favorite thing to do on weekends?
Going out with friends.
Can you recommend a good movie?
Yes, try Puspa.
What's the temperature?
It's about 33 degrees Celsius.
How many members in your family?
In my family, I have three members.
What's your favorite game?
My favorite game is cricket.
What's your favorite flower?
My favorite flower is lily.
How was your day been so far?
It's been good, thanks.
Do you have any plan for holiday?
Yes, I'm visiting family.
Do you like to read?
Yes, I love reading.
Do you enjoy shopping?
Yes, I do.
Okay, if you want to another video, so please like, share and subscribe. And एक मैं आपको क्वेश्चन देना चाहूंगी. आप प्लीज उसको आपको इंग्लिश में लिख करके कमेंट बॉक्स में डालना है. तो मैं अभी क्वेश्चन दे रही हूँ. मैं अभी एयरपोर्ट पहुंच चुकी हूँ. ओके बाय, टेक केयर.